What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Xillerated channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. And also don't forget to check out the Xillerated decals website down below in the description to purchase an Xillerated sticker. Just remember to do what you love and stay excited about doing it because this is your life. But anyways, today we're going to be working on getting some water out of my corner light. So let's get to it. I have been collecting condensation water in here, and as you can see, there's that much water in it. So lucky for me, I probably still have clear silicone still left up there. And we're just going to pry this apart. There is a screw that I just removed right there in the center of it between the bulbs, and I think that holds the lens in place. So now I'm just going to take this apart, pry it apart, and drain the water. So I got the lens here and my heat gun. Just gonna turn this up, put it on high. Not too sure how hot to get this, but I just got it on the lowest setting right now, and I'm just gonna start heating it up. Okay, so now that I got that taken apart, all I'm going to do now is remove this. And basically that's what the screw was holding on to. It was this lens. Just dry up the inside. What I was thinking was probably just slapping this back on, making it all clear. So I grabbed my Rember, which I got at Walmart. Just gonna grab a little bit of the wad. This is a little too much, but it should work. So it definitely cleaned it up. Only downfall is some of the chrome lining got disappeared on here, so now it's just flat gray. I would do a black housing, but I feel like I should just leave it like this for now because I'm gonna replace these anyway. I just wanted to take this apart, remove the water, and see what I could do for content for you guys. But anyways, so now I'm gonna put this together and probably just leave it like this since I'm going to replace it. And I got headlight covers for it, so it's going to be half and it'll probably look sick. What I'm using here is DAP, clear flexible sealant. And I got this at Home Depot, I believe $3 or $4. So it's, as you can see, it's clear sealant. All I'm going to do is just add it along here. Yeah, I would clean this up, but the fact it's so brittle, I don't want to crack it already. It's just gonna be the way it is. Alright guys, so I started something different. I basically took out the orange reflective right here and added the clear one back. So I pretty much doing that to the driver's side now, and here's what this looks like. So basically what I did was use the Dremel and I started trimming the sides first, and then once I trimmed those sides top to bottom, you could actually just pop this whole thing off, which was this. Hold on, let me see if I do this real quick. Alright, so this was here like this. I pretty much Dremeled right here all the way around to the edge, not cutting into the orange. I don't know why I didn't, but as you can see, you just cut right there on the edge and then push this out, and it comes like this. And what I did was I took the Dremel and I started trimming the side a little bit, making it a little bit rounder, as well as the top. So it looks a lot cleaner. Now I'm just gonna have to grab this one. As you can see, this looks like he bought brand new. Or there's just not that much water that came into this one. So you put that back, looks like that. Yeah, it looks funky, but it still gives it that clear look to it. You grab your clear lens. I'm gonna have to clean this up. But anyways, like I said, I do this to keep me going and keep my mind off of other things. So hope you guys like this, and let me slap this onto the car for you guys to see. I got everything back onto the car now, and I pulled the car back so you guys can see this a little better. So pretty much what I did was I added the brow back on, and I think it added an extra touch to it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the lens now. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below on what you guys think. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Also, don't forget to check out the link down below for an Xillerated sticker. Up top in Japanese it says, "Do what you love and stay excited." I also got that in reverse cut, so it's see-through and just the outline of it. But again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.